1st, 2021. We have a tough year, but we made it. We're here, and now it's beginning a new year with new hopes. We are all together in the same boat because the whole world got the same problem. Yeah, that's amazing. I never thought about it. I mean, I never thought that would happen. And got me thinking, because we are all one, you know? I know we're different. We live in different states, in different countries. We have different beliefs, different religions, but we are all humans. So we have to get together, you know, for a better year. So I came here to the Passeio Público to wish you a very nice new year of 2021. And I think that I learned most is like hope for the better, but always be prepared for the worst. Because when you're prepared for the worst is not that bad, you know, you get through it. So, better safe than sorry. And lots go on, you know. It's a new year, new hopes. Vaccine is on the way. I hope we can travel again because I miss going around. I love to travel. I'm so happy for the company of you guys. I never thought about doing a channel that would reach the whole world, and you guys helping me learning things, you know. So many things to learn. Beginning with English because I'll get there. I'll learn every day. I'll learn a little bit. I'll get there. So this is a very short video just to thank you guys for the company, for all the knowledge that you tell me, that you show me, and for all the great channels that we have in YouTube. How much did I learn with them? So much. It's amazing. And how they inspire me. Thank those marvelous YouTube channels that inspire me. Especially Victor. Victor is top of my list. With everyday cycling. He has this beautiful camera placement and marvelous editing and superb content. I love to thank Pam and Gilbert. She does those videos. They're so hard to make, you know, all those graphics. So much knowledge. It's so good. Another channel that I like very much to follow is Brompton Traveler. He's great. He does these marvelous trips with Brompton. He did cross the Europe, I think, now in pandemic. So he's putting some videos. There's a channel. It's different kind of video. It's raw video, you know. That's Bush. He goes now. He have a different bike, but he used to go camping with his Brompton. So it's kind of cool, you know. It's so different. And let me see. I got a list. Let's check it out. I don't want to miss anyone. Another channel that I really like is the Brilliant Bikes. She's so neat. I have so much fun with her. I'm gonna thank a channel. It's not a bicycle channel, but I learned so much with him. It calls Mobile Motion. You know, he talks about photography and how to place the camera, how to do the editing. So things that really interest me. I don't know if you know, but I'm a photographer. And that's why I really love doing these videos. It's a way to share this moment. Look at this. It's a marvelous plot. And it's so happy I can show you, you know. Because maybe you're in North Hemisphere. It's cold over there now. We'll be hot. Just wait a little bit. Some months and it will be hot. So it's very nice to share with you guys. Look, I'm so very happy with this channel. I'm very happy that's growing. There I'm learning a lot. I'm learning a lot from you guys. I'm learning a lot how editing, how putting cameras around, how doing things. Sometimes it doesn't work, sometimes it do work. Sometimes I find little things that make life easier. So anyway, have a very, very, very nice 2021, full of hope and for better days, and for a whole world more united, you know. Yes. Let's get together. Bye bye. Wait. There's a channel that I really love. It's Ryan Van Diza. He's a bicycle channel. It's not a Brompton, but he's great. He's always happy, and he's like me. I love it. Bye bye. Now it's bye bye.